Good day, bearded adventurers. It is once again I, the Wizard of Fable Beard Company, where every beard has a story. And today, I'm going to talk about how long beard oils should last. Welcome back to another video. My name is Colin Gray from Fable Beard Company, where every beard has a story. If this is your first time to the channel and you're looking for bearded tips, tricks, storytelling, and adventure, look no further. Hit that subscribe button right now, as well as liking this video and leaving a comment down in the comment section below, because we love engaging with each and every one of you. Today's topic is going to be beard oil, and specifically how long should a bottle of beard oil last for you. Now, this can be broken down into two different segments. One is how long should the product last when you're using it daily, or two, how long should the product last if you're not using it at all. We're going to start with the first one on how long a beard oil should last if you're using the product daily. Most people, when they're using beard oil, they use it 2 times a day, once in the morning and once at night. Now, that's basically the general use for all different types of beards, lengths, and whatnot. It's usually once in the morning and once at night. And with that case, I would say a normal 30 milliliter bottle of beard oil, or 1 ounce, should last you relatively 1 month of use if you're using it twice a day. You might be able to spread that out a little bit longer depending on your beard length. I myself use an entire dropper full with every single application, so it's going to last me a little bit less than somebody that might use only half a dropper that has a shorter beard. But a general rule of thumb is a bottle of beard oil is going to last you about a month. Now, you may say, okay, well, if I'm buying a bottle of beard oil and it's lasting me a whole month, I've got so many bottles of beard oil lying around, I can't possibly use this all at one time. That's very true. And we often find ourselves now with Fable, especially with our artwork and creations and seasonal scents, that we have a lot of collectors in our midst now. And this brings the question of how long should a beard oil last you? Well, if you're a collector and you decide to buy all of the seasonal scents like this one, the Demon for Halloween, or the Undead, for example, and you don't use it all month long and you want to save it, generally, that beard oil should be just as good come next Halloween, or roughly a year, if stored properly. Now, these bottles are amber-colored glass to help prevent it from outside UV rays and things of that nature, to aid in that shelf life. However, there are steps and measures that you can take to aid that a little bit further, making sure that your beard oil is in a cool and dry place, like underneath a cabinet for some of those long shelf use, ones that's not being exposed to the sun or ambient light, will help aid in that shelf life. Now, the beard oil should be relatively just as strong as when you got it if sealed up properly and you just don't open it up and close it up and whatnot. That's generally how long the fragrances last. The oil inside the bottle itself, though, should last somewhere around 2 years. Now, that's kind of give or take. That's just the shelf life of the oil itself. You will notice a little bit of a performance decrease when you start passing that year mark, as well as the scent profile will diminish significantly from that point. So you want to make sure that you, if you're going to collect these bottles, do it for the artwork. The scent should still last you a good solid 6 to 9 months. Past that point, it's probably not going to be any good any longer. So keep that in mind. Once again, my name is Colin Gray from Fable Beard Company, where every beard has a story. Let us know down in the comment section below. If you've been an adventurer with us for a period of time and your beard oils, let's say a year or more, whatever the case may be, let us know down in the comment section below how long your Fable Beard Company oil is lasting. Let other people know in the comments, help them out along in their journey. If you're looking for more bearded tips and tricks, you can click on that button in the top right-hand corner, and that will take you to a playlist of all of our other beard-related videos. As always, until next time, may your beards be forever blessed and treasure forever upon your door.